I'm Daria, and I'm just showing you how to make a St. Joseph's lily. Supplies you'll need for this craft is a sheet of white paper, green pipe cleaners, a yellow marker, clear tape, and scissors. The first thing you're going to need is a sheet of paper. Fold the paper in half and then cut it. Once you have the sheet of paper cut in half, you're going to fold it in half. Once it's folded, you're going to fold it in half again. The next fold you do, you have to make sure is done right because otherwise the flower won't come out right. You want to fold it so that this corner is touching this side. Like this. Make sure you're not folding it somewhat like this. Then you're going to fold it one more time. It will sort of look like a really thin triangle. Once you fold it, take your scissors and cut it so that it's pointed on top. Like this. And then like this. And try not to cut it too low, otherwise the flower will come out really small. Once you do that, cut off a very, very tiny little bit off the bottom. Once you do that, open up your flower. And you should have 16 petals with a hole in it. Then take your scissors and cut it down this way so that flat edges are the ones that you're cutting through. And once you do this, you're going to have 2 halves with 8 petals on each one. Set one aside. And you're going to cut very little bits in between each petal. Once you do that, take a little piece of paper, take a marker, and then color the end of it. Color the end of it yellow on both sides. Make sure you color it on the same side on both sides. Then cut it into 4 thin strips, one down the middle, and then cut each of them in half. Take them and then tape them onto the first, the second, the third, and the 5th petal on your flower. You're going to want to tape them here, over here, over here, and then one over here. And try not to tape them too low because you want to be able to see them once you close the flower. Once they're taped, you're going to want to take your flower and wrap it around your finger like this, then pull your finger out and close it. Then take a piece of tape It's best to have it ready before you close it. And tape your flower so that this petal overlaps the third one that's on the inside, just like that. Make sure the petals that have the little strips are the ones on the inside. Then you're going to want to curl the ends of your petals. Just roll them along your finger like this, and then they should stay in place. The more you roll your petals, the more realistic it's going to look, so try to get it nice and deep. The final thing you're going to want to do is take a pipe cleaner, a green one, and bend the tip of it like this. Then slide the side that you did not bend inside your flower, and then pull through the bottom. If it slides all the way through, try to make the little bend you made in the pipe cleaner deeper like this. And that's all of it. There's your St. Joseph's lily.